Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 5, Lesson 6A. Now, this will be on the first part of your notes. We'll do more of this on the next lesson. All right, so to write a percent as a decimal, move the decimal place 2 places to the left. Now, remember, the left is this way. This then divides the percentage by 100. Add zeros where necessary. So we're going to take the number 63. And we're going to remember the decimal when it's not there is always at the back. 1, 2. So this is equal to 0.63. Okay, let's do the next one. 42. 1, 2 equal to 0.42. All right, 75. 1, 2 equals to 0.75. 3%. 1, 2. We have to put our placeholder. So this is equal to 0.03. Great job. Okay, let's try some with bigger numbers. So we have 118. Moving it 1, 2. So we get 1.18. Great job. 170. 1, 2, 2.70. There we go, 27.6. 1, 2, so we get 0.276. Great job. All right, now there are 6 problems. I want you to pause the video, work out these 6 problems, and then come back and see if you got them correct. All right, for this one, you should have said 1.875. 1 spot, 2 spot, oop, gotta fill it. So it would have been 0.01875. Here we have 0.25. 1, 2, put a 0, so it would have been 0.0025. 13.25. 1 spot, 2 spots, so 0.1325. 66.6. 1, 2, so this has been 0.666 repeating, right? 123.3. 1, 2, so this had been 1.233 repeating. And then here we have 0.5. So 1, 2, so it would have been 0.005 with the 5 repeating. All right, you are done with Unit 5, Lesson 6A. Go ahead and head back to Class Class Craft, and then I will see you back here for Unit 5, Lesson 6B.